AI music just got a massive upgrade. Google has dropped this Lyria 3, which generates up to 30 seconds of music on its own and completely free. So let's create your personalized beats. Go to gemini.google.com and right where you enter your prompt in your tools, select create music. That's a new. Now here you can pick any track that you want to remix, and to preview these all you have to do is click on this button right here, which gives you a quick preview of this track. So hear this out. And just like that, you have all these different tracks to remix. Now you can choose any one, and if you want, you can even customize it or add in the lyrics that you want. If not, it will create a tune or even lyrics if you ask it to do so. So right now I'm going to be adding a lyric, and here's what my lyrics looks like if I send this, and here's the response that I got. Let me show it to you.
Hands on the air.
Now, you can download this music simply by clicking on this button right here and mute your track by clicking on this and share it by generating a link directed to this audio right here. And if you don't like it, you can always redo this to create another version of the same music. And I got another response, says here spot. So so that's what it sounds like. So you can choose different modes, describe a track if you have specific music type in your mind. And the best part, well, you can even create audio specific for a certain someone. Like, let me show it to you. If you go ahead, click on add files, upload an image using any of these methods. Once you upload the image that you want to create a song about, you can simply go ahead and add in a prompt like create a mellow song that I can dedicate to her, and this is what I got. So let me preview and give you a glimpse.
Golden hour paints your face. I'm lost inside this peaceful space.
And as you can see, it is dedicated to her, the women in the picture. And that's just perfect. I didn't even choose tools, which is the music creation tool from here, and it automatically caught that I want to create a song and did that. So that's basically how you can create music using Gemini, but make sure it only gives you 30 seconds long music so you can use that wherever you like. And also these music generation includes synth IDs, so someone who tried to impersonate this as their own creation would be caught, because if we upload any of the song on Gemini itself, it can detect whether or not it's created by Gemini AI. So that's it. Go ahead, create your own personal music